What's up everyone, this is Joe again. Stay tuned because we're going to take a look at Osmo Mobile 2. I have unboxed this already. I'm just doing this to show you what's inside the box and the modification I made on the casing. I punched a hole here to fit my mini tripod. So whenever I carry it around, the mini tripod is with it. This is the first mobile gimbal I ever had, and so far I'm not having problem on its performance. It stabilizes my shoots and it's lightweight. The built-in battery could take a whole day of usage at full charge, and that is a big plus for me. You can charge it via micro USB and you can even use it while charging with power bank. Here are some sample shots using my Oppo F7. I have noticed when shooting using smartphone, the video occasionally wobble or bouncy, especially when running. I think it's because the smartphone built-in image stabilization, because when I use action camera, it's not doing that. Here are sample shots using my action camera. I think the best camera for this gimbal, if you want a more stabilized video, is an action camera. You can even turn on the image stabilization of the action camera to make the video more smoother. The downside of this is you can't use all the function of the gimbal in the app. Also have a zoom in and out feature, but I'm not a fan of it because it's not smooth when zooming. If you want a good dolly shot or vertigo shot, maybe you should do it without using the zoom function. Just add zoom in the post-production. Here are samples I made. Overall, this gimbal is great. The build quality looks plastic but not bad because it's solid. The app is also great. So far, not having issues on it. That's it guys. Hope you find this video informative. Give a thumbs up if you guys like it. Click the subscribe button below. Get notified my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.